Play the song, mama. Audience.
Yo.
Stop Brando, I'm over here, mama. Big him up, mama. Let me come make him live. Big boy.
Dirty Brando.
To reach the top, won't be
Let me go, mama.
You see what Brando say? Him love me.
Davianah,
I was
Bugle.
Brando.
Davianah, Bugle.
Yo.
I'm gonna love you
I would have done something like that. What the?
nothing will ever fucking change.
Yes, so it's what that the song get now. Davianah, yes, so the song get important now. Hey. Davianah, Bugle.
A real one.
Yes, so it's what that the song get now, mama.
I want a young Tarrus, some Bugle and Davianah.
Win. Yeah. That's why it's important. All in big up, they'll make progress.
Baby.
Important song.
To reach the top, won't be enough.
Adios. Bugle and Davianah.
You will leave, you will stay. I will take
Yo.
you.
Video Yamed them. Every Yamed run out.
I'm gonna love you any fucking way. I'm gonna be here, baby, just to say. Fucking say.
Davianah.
Real
I want a young Tarrus, some Bugle and Davianah. God, the Emery and the car. Anything with me up to, she up to. She sound when she feel sad, but she rough too. No girl get down here for me up you. I can never give when I like that. My girl that love her, me love how she hold it. She are the realest, yeah, she are the coolest. She want but can be the coolest. Yeah, man, I want to be here, so we roll this, yeah. She are my bad girl, she are my charge. She are my queen, my princess, she are my everybody.
Hold them down there. Hold them down together. One foot together. I love this part. There's a silence.
The song bad man. The song have a trigger in it too, mama.
Yeah.
That song have visa, man. That song have visa.
We got people. So what go on, Zin? Was that the live, yeah? Yo, was a mad piece of debate. What you know? I play the song for you know, the Bugle and Davianah. Zin? Big singer. Is an angel voice, she have angelic voice. Swear. You see me? December no for pass and them girl and sing out some carol and some Christmas jingles, you know what I mean? Yeah. Tough. As I tell you no, wicked like the blood now, Tarrus Riley and the Shenseea Yodley who sang about the lighter. That now have nothing panda one ya. Cause you know it's a Bugle always mad with the collaboration with the female them. From the ladies saw them till the ladies have to say, yo, we long come again and them go part two, part few. So go let that go on right now, yo. That song you need for out. You see me? We need for promote that song and push that song yeah, till it's stuck in other people's ears like wax. You see it? No joke, no joke. But I want to tell you about the debate. See, because the song bad, you know, Davianah, no don't know Tony Rebel daughter, Queen of Ifrica, Ayata. See, Tony Rebel balls water. So what you know? I tell you, no say, yo, we a debate here with silent. I tell the brother when I'm silent, yo, I tell you it's a debate back and forth, terrible, coming like a battlefield. You see me? But yeah, man, we have to, it was exciting. It was exciting, when I lie. But however, because the wind was interfering with my voice, I had to turn off the audio on my phone, so you won't hear my voice on the live, right? So that really hurt my heart right now. 'Cause I'm wishing for could have my hear my talking points and me being involved in the debate. But just one of them things, the man. I know me from over Dancehall where we have a whole heap of debate we involved in, and right now it's like 26-0. Like I'm undefeatable when it comes to the Gaza. You see me? Yeah, cause I have to fight the great fight, you know what I mean? Yeah, and give the artists them what them deserve. Yeah, just that's the thing there. Mad. Eh, What is? Yeah, man.
It have a trigger in it. You see when you see the
Real.
fact that
The
you see the
saga
fact that you
foreign.
cuss the bad word. Hold on now. You see the fact that you cuss the bad word in it. You understand me? And bugle upon it now, so it's not expected. So that would trigger the people them brain. I'm talking about stunt like these.
Thank you. All right, look.
I exactly talk. I say keep calm. Find a style where the people them love with a little bit of taste and a little bit of, and that Caesar do man. Fire! And Caesar still anointed. But back to what? Rastaman don't apologize to nobody, boy.
Silent, look at what you identify with playing by the song. What you identify.
What do you mean exactly?
All right. So when you play one song one time.
The more you listen to the song, the more you like it, brother.
Oh, so
Yeah,
you
man.
mean? Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you, say, want a momentum.
Yeah,
That's why
right.
this song want momentum. So if you're going to select a party right now and him play that, don't stop there. Because you're going to need the influence of them for promote what go on last night. They go on next party a bit. Because here know, you go up on the radio, hear this song. You go on taxi, hear this song. You go up on Silent Nation, you see, momentum, one big buzz. Is that me mean?
I cut to this, sir.
Davianah, if you
Make
push
it.
that song, yeah, man.
One of
Run
the
it till
Tony
the
Chrome,
wheel
I
them
cut to
broke
this, sir,
off.
brother. Let me talk now. Tony Chrome, it's when you have a talent for bust somebody, you can bust a person. So like a man like me, you know, if me take
Yeah,
Mama song, I'm going to a party, like what Nuffy that do.
yeah.
Me I can make the song sound like the biggest song you ever hear.
True, facts.
Cause me
I'm
can
never
make you
cut you
feel
when
like say.
I'm never cut you when me feel like you cut you, but go on talk.
No, no, no. I select to pay them pint, brother. When them get money pull up, what them do? Them scream out them throat. And them run away.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
So if me go some woman say make a boss woman right now, I say, yo, me have a brand new artist. Me not even say a brand new artist. Me not even do that. Me a
yes,
promote her like I'm a big artist. And talk up the things them. Because you see the moment when you go some woman slow down the song and say, me have a brand new artist, people are gonna say so. Now I listen. And now you have to make them what I say, how that? How sang that? I saw you have to do people, brother, for about song Tony Crow. Understand?
yes. And listen, all right. So listen up. If you start the selector and the selector start playing, your career stop.
Understand where you come from.
Alright, what cartel are do? Cartel are gonna run with you and bust right now or whatever, right? And if them style it, we just done with them.
Yeah.
Bus done. It's about a bus momentum. It can't be one selector.
Davianah.
It have to be a strategy, brother. It have to be a tactic momentum.
Yeah, it have to be no, it have to do with the artist now. Because if you get the liquor,
right. How you think you're gonna get to know Khalid?
On the bus step.
How you think? Listen, you see when me I play a song, when me I play Khalid, people, enough artists, me I tell you, literally, I can't call them name, because even them say a true. Me say it in front of them. Boom, boom, foot type. Well, on a cooler man, boom, boom, foot type. All of them with their road. Them never did play no song for Khalid. And me the only man.
That's his truth.
The only man. And here, well, I know here, and I true money alone, you know. Me I tell you why. Them say them couldn't understand what Khalid has said more time, and them couldn't hear him clearly. So, hold on. So me that say, me like I'm look on Khalid and say, Khalid, you co-supervise too much, you know. I me tell him to say this, you know. Because he might make me hear the rhythm. I tell him say, instead they say, back it up and we have me say this. Like when you hear busy say, because I love part busy. Busy was him mentor too. You see him? So me say, like when you hear busy thin out him voice and say, Khalid, pick it, me like you. Hot it up. I say, yo, say this. Back it up and me ya fuck you. Quiet when shit. Lock it up and it turn off up. Because I can't sing like every artist, you know. That's why my name Tony Chrome. I can't sing like everybody. Nuffy can't tell you. My backup sing for Bounty Killer, I do and I all of them. And people don't even know my voice never hear. You understand? I can't do Khalid voice, brother. I can actually sing like Khalid. You understand me? Your pum pum bring life. Your pum pum bring life. Well, I know, brother. You saw me up on stage. Brother, easy now. I know it.
Yo.
No. Stop this up. Puss, listen up. Brother, don't call me no boy. You see? Don't call me no boy. Don't call. Brother, listen up. I've never owned a motor vehicle yet. Yeah? Ever in my life. And that means I never own enough money when I can buy a car. I never do a man vice yet. I never get over upon a person yet. You saw me up on stage? Me say, imagine we have grew up from the streets, not friends, cause we sell family each. Me did I cut the song, I'm a jar of the song, and I DJ the artist song. On stage. Brother, how the fuck could I talk about? Brother, I don't know about artists. You tell me no. I mean, me killer no. Brother, me killer no understand what Khalid has said. Brother, I've never owned a vehicle before. Me sing Rate Your Mother. And the biggest song that in a dancehall history. I've never owned a vehicle before, only a motorbike. I'm a buy the bike, then I promote Khalid upon it and I deliver pizza. Then I got Bunt Killer door. Instead of me tell Bunt Killer, say me you want join alliance, me tell him say take Khalid. That is called a buzz. Let's do this shit. And me tell Khalid, no, brother, you're not there on my page. You're not there on my page, you know. I congratulated Massacre because Khalid are idiot, brother. How the fuck you do that, brother? You're bigger than Massacre. Brother, you know big pum pum bring life is? Brother, respect no man. Brother, listen to me. You know big pum pum bring life is? Nicki Minaj start follow me in a Jamaica, Silent Nation, J.A. Before she follow anybody out or so. You don't need to know that? You don't know say me a post Khalid and be an artist and make she see and a DMR. If she come on the live right now, she can't tell you, you know. I want to know, brother, me and Lava and Pretty them, we are the first that people get followed by Nicki Minaj. Me even do a review about this, you know, brother. It now nothing we just do with talent alone, brother. You need a buzz. Go out there and take my reputation. And then it's a story, you know. You can't go on stage and say, yo, I want to go on stage. Why you want to go on stage? Because me are the next big thing. Everybody feel like them are the next big thing. So here we call it a rise off of the. Call it a rise off of my bike back at night time.
Bike back? Yo,
brother, listen to man, I respect what I do with you now. Listen about what I relax now. Here, all get the bus.
What they are still in a silence.
Yeah, cool. But listen up. Here, get the bus now. Bro, yeah, cool. But here, get the bus now. I am a selector. You know what I do, Nuffy. Me stop select. Me not have a laptop. Me not have a pouch. Me only have Khalid songs on me. Nuffy, tell them no. How much party in a seminar play?
Stop walking in pouch.
I'll be a Khalid. Me not even remember of his select again.
A true matter.
That is
But
how
yo,
a momentum. If you find somebody where wish them they have your song, them I love your song them enough for one your boss, you gone through the gate, and that IRA say. Ain't no me find somebody who believe in me like how Tony can believe in a Khalid, my boss. That IRA say. Him have enough fans, all the things are going. You need somebody who stay like you. You need a twin. I mean, make them know Khalid. I mean, broke down in words and tell them say, yo, Pum Pum Bring Life is not about bringing birth, a lie. It's about a man with down and mash up, fuck. I get mad and everything, and the girl go, why not him mode? We compatible. The fight between compatible. Him never say you bring no pitney all now.
Overall,
it can be a pun too, it can have two meanings.
No, I made it a pun. That's what I mean about the song, but people don't listen to the words all know. The only thing they know is the Pum Pum Bring Life. Nobody else can DJ the song word for word. Only me alone. So that was my job.
Yeah.
Me was supposed to be the person where I come so boom now and wifey the talk, wifey the back up. You understand me? And matching vibes and everything.
That song dedicated to you. Are you boss it?
Me not depend on the disrespect thing, you see? You know?
Trouble.
What you mean, man? What you mean?
Brother, no people.
Do that song then.
All right, brother, me never tell you, said, brother, I never said nobody no know my song at all. And the person of Khalid enough people know. You can't put them on a stage and then DJ out the whole of the world. What I'm telling you, man? Brother,
Don't get to a party I say no. Party I say you have the part of the song where catch most people is the Pum Pum Bring Life.
Yes.
I have to agree with it. I have to agree with it. No. I lie them at you. They don't even understand the song. They don't even understand the meaning of the song. No, listen, I never, him not get it, you know, say him not get it. Brother, I never said nobody don't know the song. I never said. Brother, what we are saying in the comparison, listen up. What we are saying?
The person will take a while to understand the song if you can sing it back.
No,
centrally. If you're speaking English or Patois, the song will be repeated.
Brother, I did not say, listen, brother, I never tell you say nobody don't know the song overall. In comparison to all song, but some people don't know the song. Like Fever, tick, tock, broke it, set it, broke it. Listen up, bro. I'm just saying, I never tell you nobody don't know Khalid song word for word. I'm just saying fewer people might know in comparison to if you're boss, everybody if you know the song word for word can sing it. People can sing it out. If Pitney can sing a song, brother.
Silent.
I shall lead the way, brother.
I like Khalid song them, but make him move because it cost me half a trip if I started and tell me if I started.
And this everybody.
When he used to stand up in a half a tree, right? I CD man, and when time bounty killer, when him and a CD man, they are afraid in a half a tree. Every evening catch up there, and when bounty killer take him and yeah, he drive past the man and I hear the man, and him done the man catch up real bad at half a tree for Vibes Cartel.
Yeah, man. Him say, listen.
Nowhere with him bright.
Listen up. Uno no Khalid. When Khalid want to kill himself.
Khalid again.
Yeah, no.
Khalid going to a CT scan machine with the shoes and watch and say meet an accident and have we as in fans worried about him. Them
bro. Brother, listen to me now. You know, if a selector go to Khalid and say, beg your dub, the man say, brother, you don't have a Vibes Cartel dub, and I don't know one dub from me. You keep on do that. Stop do that, brother. Stop do that. You're not Vibes Cartel, brother. Loud that.
Like
listen up. When Khalid talk about him want to kill himself, you know, behind me, upon my bike him there, and I talk about you, I feel like he just kill him. Why again? Brother, straight on the mind, brother. Reason, man. Listen up. Yo. But let me see, you only talk when you hear fuckery. Let me see, only talk when you hear fuckery, brother. Listen up, brother, man.
But silent. You know that in Dancehall, Jamaica, sex and gun is what sells in Jamaica. You see after the reggae song played at the first part of the dance, I'll be a dagger in after that, you know. So if the part of reggae is small in dancehall in Jamaica. So you got harder for bust with reggae than dancehall because them want hear about your crutches, them want hear Ushman dig your out, and all these kind of things they want hear about. So it's
but me tell you, say, if a person will believe in a God, if a pastor stop them right now and say, let me pray for you, them cover them face and hide when them see somebody come, because them shame, them hold on them head. The pastor say, hold up your head and receive your blessing, them and the right of the ears jump. Can't pass them forehead all, no.
So if you not talk about nastiness, all over the world too. If you not talk about nastiness, not gonna away.
Link up. Big up.
It not gonna away.
Khaled bring 3 quarter back like in his come studio and go back with it. Vice the whole day.
No,
yeah, man,
him not going
something
better.
Something wrong.
Nikai and the boat again and work with him.
No, Icon. Me don't know if him and JD is selling. Khaled only
link with Icon the link again.
Yo, Khaled, I want good artist still now. Me not gonna dare say go on like him and a bad artist now. Bad artist. That alone.
Bad artist. That alone. Have some girl anthem.
So you know big up Tony Chrome and I me change the game. I hear they are cuss me from morning. And you know big up Tony Chrome. I kill Marvelous and Bishop Escobar them. Yeah, you chat, you know. Chat, you know. Oh. Nuffy. The man that hear Richie, the man that hear Richie call me Tony Chrome all long. You not understand what I mean. I mean them Tony Chrome, brother.
Tony Chrome a long time when them resurrect asylum with them.
Brother. Yeah, but what I tell him, I say, him not reason against me. Leprosy is against him, not reason. And that me I tell him from man, I can't feel energy, I don't listen to words.
No man, silent. Let me tell you, we need up on the platform in a silent, but sometimes when the people them talk, it's like you talk over them, so that's the thing. But we need a same way, you see it?
No.
But
then
you have to give other people a chance to.
Man, we're going to a chance, man. It's just that we are trying to reach each other level.
I try to explain that you still want to talk over me, and this way I talk about.
Yeah, the man. Let me not have a reply. You talk. Say what you say.
The man named Silent Nation. I tell you, Silent.
Yeah, but alright. So what me tell you, say, alright. Hold on. You see like I want to bring up this? Hold on. You see like I want to bring up this? Big up Fresh Drop. You don't know what Fresh Drop post, right? And Fresh Drop come up when doing a job. Fresh Drop, right? Alright, Silent Nation, they're weird about. So what me tell you, some usually right? Silent Nation JA. And I'm content them. But me say, yo, me keep and I say silent. I'm really start from keeping silent headphone party. Because that's where we come from, right? So I keep headphone party and my life a post. I'm just post artists call me a selector. I'm just come up with all idea. But me stop it and now Fresh Drop run it. It's so life funny. Now if I'm silent right now, we won't create a buzz. And right now, I tell you, the only reason why I not argue with me because of my sharp comments or opinions. Because they must be here leprosy now. That's why you name leprosy. Brother, that's why you name leprosy. No, me give you stigma now. You fucker you now. You fucker you. Nuffy, make it one of them. Nuffy, make it one of them. Please. Yes, please.
Oh, God. Hold on. Davianah, drop the song again. Davianah, drop the song again, Davianah.
Drop the song again, Please.
Yeah, man.
To reach the top won't be
You can't lick down Mr. Vegas today,
I'm sure.
I see you go.
Yo, that's why your body now. Machine is a sing.
Rebel daughter. Pull up.
Nuffy, don't say that. Nuffy, don't say that.
Come again. Play again.
Nuffy, me never remember say rebel daughter. Me never remember say rebel daughter.
Use the sound effects, Nuffy. Use the sound effects.
Look like him for true, you know.
Who the rebel daughter? Davianah.
Me never remember.
Right now.
You will leave, you will stay. I will take it. I see you go through a different phase. I'ma be here, baby, just the same. Nothing will ever fucking change.
Now kill the priest, let go Bugle. Davianah, you tell your mama.
And I'm on a young Tarrus and Bugle and Davianah.
Dancehall for me, bad.
God, be a marina, my God.
Sit there.
Pull up.
Let her go, Nicky. Let her go.
One shot.
What a rebel dancer, rebel now.
Pull up that young gun from me.
I'm on a young Tarrus and Bugle and Davianah. God, be a marina, my God. Anything with me up to, she up to. She soft when she feel soft, but she rough too. Enough girl get down here for me up you. And anybody when I like that, my girl that love her, me love how she hold it. She are the realest, yeah, she are the coldest. She want but can be the coolest. Yeah, but I want to that's how we roll, yes, yeah. She are my bad girl, she are my chanty. She are my queen, my princess, she are me everybody, yeah.
Sounds bad. I'm full of the gift.
I'm justify things that
One more. Davianah. Dancehall bomb, rap it. Party.
It's tough, Nuffy. More Visor.
Visor, mama. Rap it, big up.
Nuffy, me have the perfect.
Yeah, man.
Look no further, no, you got a real one right here. You don't need to know.
Davianah. Rebel daughter, see it.
Right
Hold on. Nuffy. Nuffy, stop saying rebel daughter, man. Chum, man, yeah, chum. Stop saying that, man. Stop saying that. Hey, you know the song? You know the song we say, we come in and they dance and we mash it up. We come in and we do it and we don't give a fuck. I was sing a song there. What's your name? Wizard?
Yeah, me I say Davianah. You see that song that we sing?
Hold on.
You see that song that we sing, Davianah? It's very nice. I mean, I think about nothing when me hear it, but the nice melodies, them, oh yeah.
I want to give goosebumps.
Yeah, it give me goosebumps. Me text MC Nuffy. The song just shivers.
No, you can't tell me say you text me about gagging a goosebumps.
No, man.
Why?
No, man.
Why? Burn off that.
Guess what? Me never hide. Me never hide the truth.
When you hear that song, the win text.
No, man. MC Nuffy. To make him know so the song give me a goosebumps.
Karma is a bitch. Karma is a big bun. Burn off that.
Davianah, you understand what I say, don't it?
Burn off that.
No, man, Davianah understand what I say, man.
No!
The man say when he hear the song, they have to text you.
No, man.
They have to text. And the game, where game?
You see them songs that deal with feelings and emotions.
Brother, listen up. Hold on.
No, hold on. No, I want to get a chance. That's the only thing me I gonna say. The only thing more.
Hold on. Alright, cool. I mean, you want to continue what I say? Can you cut me?
Go on, chat.
So me I say this song, see that? No respect. Cool. Alright, so this song, the part we say, we come in and they dance and we mash it up. Me I say, you know, say I must bury some and daughter that. And enough people don't know this song hit, but the stigma no follow her. Just try don't promote the idea that that's all me that try to say. Because
emphasize it.
Hold on. What me that say now, Davianah. You see what me that listen to this song a while ago? What me that say? Me not even remember say you are a privileged child. Me not even remember say I Tony Rebel your father. That me a try. You sound like you don't get it. You sound like you're there for your own. You sound like Junior Gang. Junior Gang not need Bob Marley when the stigma they reach him. You don't get what me I say.
Listen, me, it's better to use what you have. Because you can't use what you don't have.
No,
you can
man,
get help off your father, you take it, see me.
No, me not say no.
Don't listen to her because Tony Rebel is our father.
No, they will listen, but they listen.
But people listen because Tony Rebel is our father.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't want a chance to tell you about your song. The quality of it.
But them are keeping them subconscious mind. You're a girl, just try to don't promote the father.
That's why you have an internal Grammy nominated song.
Yeah, big song.
On the live today. Remember me tell you that song, yeah.
But yo, me feel like I broke a back in that boy head, you know, man.
Hey, silence. I want to hear you well up that.
So you're going up. So you know, how we say something nice and done, all we are saying is just try to promote your father name less here. When me just say about me never advertise my last name. You see? Davianah, play about the song again. Play about the song, Davianah. Boy, you text man about goosebump and a little fuckery there. You fuckery. But Nuffy, you don't say you turn me on. No. Me a fight back. No guy no more than me. Me a fight back. No guy no more. Me a fight back. Me not make nothing make me bitter.
The man say you have called you on the bike back.
But he say, "Oh, I broke back buckle made and me not bring no violence." Me just use what he says. So.
It don't mean nothing, man.
Me not mean nothing neither. You can't stand there. Play back his song.
Play the song, mama.
You can't.
Play the song, mama.
Use your less here, girl.
Song bad no more. Song bad. Copy! Dancehall mouse. What the crew make it silent? Let's proceed. Some progress. Copy! Molly!
Davianah, what the song name? What the song name? I search it.
Nicky!
So I really want to
That's how you give strength. That's how you know it. That's how you give strength. Yo! Yo! Hey!
I'm one of the young goddess, and Bugle and Davianah. Blood, be a marina, my God. Anything for me up to, she up to. She soft when she feel soft, but she rough too. Enough girl get downgrade for me up yo. And anybody when I like that, my girl that. Love her, me love how she hold it. She had a
Big up.
she her coolest. If she want but can be the coolest. Yeah man I want TV, so we roll
Bugle and
this.
Davianah.
She my bad girl, she my charge. She my queen, my princess, she my everybody.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, Peter. Thank you.